Welcome to KSA's Datapedia blog. In this video, we are going to see the Cap Camorian. Oh, sorry, we have already learnt about the Cap Camorian, but I forgot to mention this. But it is also an interesting way to learn. Okay, we learnt that Cap Camorian and extreme southernmost point. Okay, and Indrakol, Kuhar Moti, and Kibitu and all the previous videos introduction area location of India. So we should learn about the Indra Point. Indra Point is the extreme southernmost point of India, but Cape Camorian too is a extreme point, but there is another tip point of India, that is Indra Point. Okay, Indra Point. Okay, Indra Point is in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Okay, here Andaman Nicobar Islands is for India. That is an union territory. So Indra Point. Okay, it is in the Great Nicobar Islands. Okay, Great Nicobar Islands. There is two major islands for India, that is Andaman. Andaman is this one. Nicobar is this one. That is in Andaman Sea. Oh, Andaman Sea is there. Amazing facts about the Indra Point we will learn. Okay, we have learned about the location of the Indra Point. Okay, now we shall learn the facts about the Indra Point. Okay, Indra Point. Indra Point is a lighthouse formerly known as Pygmalion Point. Oh, and later named as Indra Point. Okay, situated on the island of Great Nicobar in the Nicobar Islands, the Eastern Indian Ocean. Oh, East means I have already told. Right. West means left in Eastern Indian Ocean. Although Kanyakumari is the southernmost tip of Indian subcontinent itself. Oh, Indra Point was the furthest south and the Indian soil until the tsunami generated by the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake damaged much of its area, partly submerging in the lighthouse. Before the earthquake, the Indra Point is like this, very nice. After the after the earthquake, the Indra Point is like this. The nature damaging itself. This nature beauty is so nice, but this area is covered with trees, bushes, some like very nice. But after this, the Pygmalion Point become like this. Some of the pictures of Pygmalion Point, Indra Point. Okay, after this, the Andaman Nicobar ends. Great Nicobars are ending. Very sad to learn about this southernmost tip, but this is nice. The part of the area is damaged because of the earthquake. Okay, earthquake only, no. I think earthquake only, yes, earthquake or the tsunami. If earthquake came, means tsunami too come, because the area having the ocean that can damage a part of Great Nicobar. The southernmost point of India is Indra Point, we learnt. The Indra Point is situated in the Great Nicobar group of islands. Oh, in Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands is a group of islands of Indian Union Territory. It is not visible today because it was submerged under the sea in the 2004 tsunami. Tsunami here they is telling, but earthquake only it is damaged, submerged. It was named after the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. Oh. The point was formerly known as Pygmalion Point and the Pearson Point. It was renamed in mid 1980s in honor of Indira Gandhi. Oh, before renaming into Indira Gandhi, it is the name called Pygmalion Point. It is Pygmalion Point only, or Parson Point also. Okay, it was renamed by. So after it was renamed by the Indira Gandhi's Work for India, first woman first prime minister woman for India. So for honoring him, they renamed the Pygmalion to Indira Point. Wow, very nice. If you want many information about the southernmost point of Indira Point, you can ask in the comment box. And the conclusion, after completing this video on the topic of extreme points of India, I conclude many interesting points on interesting points on Indira Col, Guhar, Moti, Kibitu, Cap Camorian, Indira Point. Now I am able to talk any issues related to extreme points. Yes, I am well known. And some I know about these extreme points, and the whole credit goes to my parents, friends, internet website, and subscribers too. Okay, I didn't mention that, but in this voice coverage I will mention. So thank you all. If you want the southernmost tip point information, you can ask, because I think that I didn't mention many information about this southernmost tip. I think so. If you have that to query, you can ask in the comment box. I will tell why the Pygmalion Point renamed by honoring of Indira Gandhi, what work he done, and all we will see in the comment box. So thank you for watching my video, and take care. Bye, and we all meet you in an interesting topic on India in a next video. And thank you for watching my video, and bye. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.